Howdy y'all, this is Blake Cobble from Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram, and today I wanted to spend a couple minutes with you today to talk about some of the wonderful advanced safety features that we have on a lot of our new vehicles. And today with me I have a 2021 Dodge Durango, and we ordered this GT model special from the factory with some advanced safety equipment. This one has full speed collision warning plus, and what that means is if the vehicle is in an accident, heaven forbid, and it detects that the driver is not responding quick enough, the vehicle will actually and try to mitigate a crash for you. So it does a whole lot to keep you and your family safe, and that's why we order these larger vehicles in this particular way. It also has blind spot monitors and rear cross path detection, so if you're reversing the vehicle out into a parking lot and someone's coming in at you at 100 miles per hour, it'll actually blink and beep and let you know it's not safe to move quite yet. So if you're interested in learning more about these advanced safety equipment and features that we have on a lot of our new vehicles, come on down to Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram today. Work with some of our wonderful sales consultants and we'll be happy to help.